In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a real estate website on Wix, whether you're an agent looking to showcase your listings or a real estate company aiming to expand your online presence. This guide will help you get started quickly and effectively. First, head over to Wix.com. Once you're there, locate the Login button and click on it, then enter your account details. After successfully logging in, navigate to your dashboard and find the option labeled Create New Site. Now that we're inside, Wix will prompt you with a question. What kind of website do you want to create? Make sure to select Real Estate. You'll then be presented with a wide array of pre-designed templates specifically crafted for real estate businesses. Browse through these templates until you find one that fits your style and click Edit to open the template in the Wix editor. Using a template is a real time saver, and it ensures your website maintains a professional appearance right from the start. Next up, let's talk about adding and customizing the pages on your site. You'll want to include common pages such as Home, where you can showcase featured properties, and Services, listings, or properties to display your available real estate listings. An About Us page is important for sharing your agency's story, and remember to include a contact page with a form, phone number, and office address. Head over to Menus and Pages, where you can easily add, rename, or remove any of these pages to tailor your site to your needs. Now for the centerpiece of your website, the property listings. Utilize Wix's repeater or database features to present your properties in a visually appealing manner. Simply click plus add, followed by list, gallery, plus repeater. From there, choose a layout suited for showcasing real estate details like images, titles, prices, and brief descriptions. Make sure each card links to its respective detailed property page. Don't forget to add images, videos, and property details like price, location, and features, as well as a contact button for inquiries. To improve user experience, go to the Wix App Market and explore the real estate or database apps, where you can add a search bar or filter function. This addition enables visitors to refine their searches by criteria such as price, location, or type of property. Incorporating contact forms is the next step. Navigate to plus add and choose contact form. Customize this form by including fields for name, email, phone, and message, then connect it to your personal email to facilitate inquiries. Design-wise, leverage tools like strips, columns, and grids to rationally structure your pages. Customize your website's colors, fonts, and buttons to align with your brand identity. Consider integrating a map feature to indicate the exact location of listings. Before going live, it's crucial to set up your SEO and domain. Head to Settings, then SEO, and optimize your site for search engines. Connect a custom domain to enhance your professional appearance in the digital realm. As we near completion, click Preview to see how your website performs on both desktop and mobile devices. Ensure that all functionalities, including listings, search tools, and contact forms, are running smoothly. Finally, when you're satisfied, hit Publish and celebrate your newly launched real estate website. Congratulations and happy